Yo guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video will be talking about a disturbance in the North Atlantic. Don't know if it will be an invest, but we have to wait and see. I haven't had a tweet of the NHC on Twitter because I'm following them on Twitter. I don't think I have marked the low pressure system, but yeah, this probably form towards the end of the week. But our main priority is what's going on in the Eastern Pacific right now, because we've got 2 high % chances of formation in the Eastern Pacific. This will be moving into warmer waters as it goes south towards Bermuda, which I can't see where Bermuda is. I think it's that little black dot there where my screen is. So yeah, anyway, let's have a look at the East Pack. I always call it the East Pack because it's short for the Eastern Pacific. So as you can see, they have marked that X on disturbance number 1. It doesn't look that organised right now, by a moment, but that's the early stage, because we saw that with Elsa when it was in the Atlantic. Obviously, I showed you some satellite imagery of Hurricane Elsa, and yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna pause my video for a sec because something happened to my mouse, as you can see. Look. Right. So as you can see, they marked that X of where the centre of circulation is, but it has moved in recent. It has moved towards the west a bit, because I think that's moving about west northwest, I think, or west. I don't know. So as you can see, that other disturbance behind it, hasn't got marked yet, but they're still giving that a 0% chance of formation, and I think they will update it, but the next advisory is out because it's 11 AM Pacific Daylight Time Tuesday right now, same time as it is in Florida and the UK and France and all that jazz. So yeah, they are giving this a 70% chance of formation in the next 48 hours, and this one they are giving it a 70% chance in the next 5 days, and then 0% chance in the next 2 days. And I'll go into tropical tidbits. Yeah, I'm using my second account, guys, so if you don't think I've got tropical tidbits all up on my saved page up here, it's because I'm using my second account, and my second account, I don't really like a second account, to be honest, but hey-ho. Anyway, as you can see, you can see a disturbance off the Yucatan Peninsula. Where's my mouse? Yeah, you can see a disturbance there, a disturbance south of Florida. You can see a disturbance up where Newfoundland is right now, which is so they're moving into warmer water. You could form a tropical or subtropical storm, so it could form anywhere here. And then if they do mark this system or this system, I think this system will probably travel in the Gulf and maybe make landfall on the panhandle of Florida or Louisiana. And this system here is probably going to move out towards the west, like what Arthur did last year, becoming a tropical depression over the Bahamas, or tropical storm over the Bahamas, and then moving through the outer banks of North Carolina, New Jersey, what Elsa did, and then obviously turning into a massive extratropical low right over Newfoundland. So anyway, let's have a look at some satellite imagery, because you can't really see satellite imagery that good on here. So I'll show you some forecast models as well, and then I've got to kind of end the video right there. Invest 96E, that's all I've got. So that invest that was in this thingy, I think that this is the satellite imagery right now, and of Invest 96E. It looks good, I have to admit. It does look good. Looks better organised than it was before and last night. Still see the swell. This is how Elsa was looking. Forecast models, I'm going to go quickly through the storm, and I'm going to look at the Atlantic first, and I don't think there will be nothing active in the Atlantic for a couple of days, because the Kelvin wave is in the suppressed phase, which I'll talk more about that in tomorrow's video, about a Kelvin wave and what the Kelvin waves do, what the Madden-Julian oscillation does, and what La Nina and El Nino does, and neutral phase, which I already told you that we could get into that in the later part of the season. So yeah, anyway, just gotta do this next thing, because I haven't opened Tropical Tidbits on my second account. So yeah, this is that. Luckily, this one's the last one. Right, so regions. We are going to have a look at the North Atlantic, and the North Atlantic does look good, to be honest with you. You can't really see that development, but you can see some vorticity on that system. So if you come down towards here, it gets marked 1019 millibars, and then obviously as it heads towards the south, models aren't anticipating it that are forming, as you can see. Don't really form, but if it moves in south of waters, then it could. Obviously, it's still thinking of that system to be forming in the southern Caribbean Sea, but still thinks of a system that will form off the coast. As soon as the market, it's going to get itself quickly organised, and two's going to form off the coast, which will become Fred, and well, possibly might be Henry or Grace. If Fred doesn't form, it will be Fred. And then we literally have like tropical wave of the tropical wave of the tropical wave coming up from the Bahamas and affecting up these countries. So yeah. Anyway, guys, if you like details or the breakdowns, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and let me know what you want me to do in the next video, and I'll do it for you. So yeah. Anyway, stay safe. Have a great day, and I shall see you all tomorrow at about 8 at about 7 o'clock UTC or 8 PM UTC. So yeah, anyway, should see you all tomorrow. Peace and have a great day.